Hello, my loved ones, my beautiful people. You all are welcome. We are back to another show. This video, when I watch, get us a bit. Mama, I call her Mama, even if not small picking, but not be small picking. That's why I don't pass 5 years, don't pass 10 years, don't pass 15 years, don't pass 20 years. We will stop on like that. Not be small picking. Mama, you find what you won't do. Oh my God. It's horrible. Really, 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 really very bad. This is your idea of business. It's too bad. You find what you won't do finish. You say you won't do buying and selling. Hey, buying and selling. What if the buying and selling? To buy picking, you say. Mama, you don't forget, say, pregnancy, not be easy thing, no. That 9 months of pregnancy, not be smart, you know. It hard, though. Even the day of labor, it hard. Only that one. You know, even make you say, you're not supposed to do what you do. Make me they tell you, say, the whole world, they don't like what you do.
To the woman today, and then you told this woman now 1 million naira so that you can collect 50,000 inside. Okay. Now, how did you come here today? Where do you stay? What is your name?
This is Rosie
Nwokocha. From Omahia. You have been arrested in Port Harcourt here today at Wimpy Junction. Or where? Where were you arrested? Rumopute Junction. What happened? Where were you here?
This sister called me.
Uh-huh.
That there's a child of niece.
Uh-huh.
That I should come. If I would, if I have somebody that will buy it.
Okay.
Buy the baby.
Okay.
Then I said that I should come and check it very well.
Okay. Okay. Talk loud. Talk loud.
That is how my voice is. So. Yes. Then, as I can't ask her how much, she told me 1 million.
Okay.
I said,
Who told you that the baby is 1 million?
It's me.
Okay.
But this one says 9.5.
And who told you that the baby will be sold at 9.5?
Is this
950.
9.5?
You added 1 million, 50,000. Okay. The top.
so I now say that I should come and see the lady first.
Okay.
So I will see the person that will adopt the baby.
Okay.
That's why I came.
Okay, that is why you came.
Yes, and
Okay.
You come
Did
with
you
who?
come with? Who do you come with?
I come with my sister.
Yeah.
My sister.
What is her name?
John.
The time you came and bought the other one,
She came with me because I'm sick.
she also came with you
Because I'm
to
sick.
come and buy the baby. How much you bought the first one? That's your man's daughter or son.
I don't know her. I don't know
Oh, okay. How much you bought that one?
1.
1. What is 1?
1,100,000.
1 what?
1,100,000.
100 what? Naira or euro? Huh?
Naira.
Okay, that's what you bought it. Okay, when you bought it, 1,100,000 naira. That was what you bought the first baby you bought. From who? Now, today,
From
this
who,
one,
please,
this
sorry.
one, this
From
one you,
who?
From who? Okay, this one you came today to buy. How much do you want to sell it today?
Told me it's one. Then
Huh?
the person that want the baby is she's the one that gave me the money.
How much she give you?
The same amount.
How much?
1.
Where is the money?
It's inside my bag. But if
This thing now. Hold it for hand. Collect
Hold
it
it
and
for
hold for
your
your hand.
Give it to her.
How much is this?
1.
1 what?
1.1 million.
Okay, this 1.1 million. What do you want to use it to do?
I never see this.
I say, what do you want? What did you come to do with 1.1
She
million?
called me to come and see the baby now. That's why I gave it. If the baby is okay,
You will
Good.
now pay. Huh? You will do what?
I will not pay the money to her.
For
To
the,
who?
To who?
So I don't even know her name, sir.
Well, so now, you will pay what? How much to her? Huh?
It's 1.
1 what? 1 what?
1.1 million.
Okay. Now, this 1.1 million, who Who are you going to give the 1.5? Huh? Which auntie? Huh? First year. Huh? To bring the baby to you. Okay. Now I think we okay for here.
Auntie Ify, which person baby you want to pay the money for?
I never seen the baby. Somebody that called me. That is why.
Who called you?
The number is.
They
She
call
was calling me
that.
that somebody had the baby.
Uh-huh.
What
They
is her
want to
name?
sell.
Yes.
Oh, you wait. The person called you that there is a baby available for sale. At how much? The person tell you 950.
So I told her.
Before you now tell this one, you tell her 1 million.
You tell her how much.
This one, you now tell this one how much? Huh? 1. Like 1 what? 1 million what?
1 million.
1 million one waiting. Okay, that's what they come. So this why you are here now is to pay for the baby with this money. What do you come here to do with this money?
I said,
What do you come here to do with this 1 million one?
so I said if I see the woman that gave me the if I see the child, my husband and wife.
One buy. Okay, now then give you this money.
Who is the person who give you the money?
What is the name? Huh? Huh?
I will remember the name.
Okay, no problem.
What is the name of the person?
So I will
Give me
remember
this
the name because the person just came. I will remember
From where the person come?
from Umuahia.
It's okay, don't ask again.
From
Now let me
Umuahia.
come in here. That's so the other baby now. The other baby where you sell last 2 weeks. Huh? Where is the baby now?
He's at Aba, all husband and wife for it.
I'm not hearing Igbo.
Okay, now husband and wife carry
Now husband and wife buy that one. Okay.
the child.
Okay. They come. How did they come and carry the child? You take it to their house in Aba or they come to Umuahia where you go with the baby to carry her.
I go to their house.
What is their name? You go to their house to deliver the baby.
I call them, they carry me to there.
Okay. So that place you deliver the baby. Okay. What is their names?
The name is on my phone.
Okay, it's okay. Baby, thank you very much. I make all of you.
Everybody no like what you do. Maybe you dey that kind group. Una dey the way they lock people inside. Maybe they born for una. Una go dey carry dey sell. Una lock people inside. Make una be careful. Make una self dey think. Una dey heartless o. Una carry person pikin go sell. You sef your mouth just dey pepe. You buy pikin 950. 950,000. You dey talk say you add your own 50,000. That one na 1 million. The other one they talk say add your own 100,000. That one na 1,100,000. The other third party now. They not ask them how much you go sell the pikin now. Maybe the woman said go sell your own. You go sell her own. Let's say 2 million. Yes now. What did they cost all this thing? Because you don't want belong? Is it because of what you want wear? Is it because you want to be that kind of high society women? What you want be? That it make you go they buy or collect somebody picking you go sell up. Not say no good. Okay, say you won't make money now. This one now's your business now. Don't get as it be. And then jail you. Definitely they must jail you. If they jail on now, the money wanna make who want it down. Because before you come back, everything go down spoil, go down budget. No Siam. Our government, press men, you people they try. Wanna do more. Wanna dig this matter well. Because these women, may them jail them for life. May them not say what they do, no good. May them not say anything when they rush, you know they good. You know they good. You know good for you, may you carry small money, buy even if na granite, even if na garri, Even if na pure water, they sell am small small. Better than you don't do this one now. They don't carry you now. They'll carry you now go jail. And you go spend your whole life there. Which one better pass? Not be small, better pass. But that small, you go, they grow, they grow. Before you know, you don't reach where you want to reach. Why we will not get patient for life? Why we not get patient in this life? Yeah? You said when buy the pikin. What do you think before you buy this pikin? If you they look for pikin, you know so many things there now. No, if you go adopt. If you adopt now, no matter anything. If you know many things, not only adoption now, you know many things when you day now. If you need pikin now, then go buy somebody pikin. You say now your own. Okay, as they don't see you now, may they trace you now. Then see you now. You go don't tell people now say you carry belly and you don't born. And they not discover say now the pikin not be your own. You know, say the shame now too much. Shame to your family. The other side, your right side, shame. Left side, shame. Your husband side, shame. You know good now. Why you not take things easy? God's time is the best. Wait God's time. Instead of you do what you're not supposed to do, to avoid the grace. This one not the grace. Because if they really follow this matter, all of them go be involved. All of them go be involved. Then see mama them when they carry pikin, they say, in our life, you don't budget, as I talked before. Now don't curse on herself already. Nobody could curse on her. Because only the labor self, the pains alone self, get us a bit. Maybe they try. Maybe they try. Maybe know they rush. Maybe we stop to they rush things. Maybe we take them easy to get something. Maybe know they look our friends as them be. Somebody go bring money for you now. You see, as if you don't go ask her how they make the money, you won't be like her. You know good now. We will try. Now beg they beg us. We will mellow down. I beg. Government. We're gonna try. We're gonna follow this matter up well. Not each half you stop. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.